Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 10th, 2018, and I'm here with that lilac bush that I showed you earlier this year. And it started blooming. It smells so good. You can see the blooms on it. And this is one of the reasons why I don't like to prune them in the springtime. Because look at all the blooms are going to be taken off. And this is just my opinion. You know, if somebody wants to prune theirs in the springtime, that's perfectly fine. That's their choice. This is just my preference. And these smell so good. And I love the color of them. And our white one did bloom too. This year I thought the deer ate all the blooms off. They ate them off one of the other white lilacs, but I'll show you the white one here in just a moment. And this is the white one. It's a smaller plant. You can see it has some stuff that needs cut out of it. The deer have eaten this one as well in the past. Plus it's fighting a maple tree for food. So I just want to show you this one here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.